Introducing ThoughtSpot's newest release, 10.9 Cloud, the latest in agentic analytics so you can create personalized insights, take action, and drive decisions. If you are unsure about the data you're working with, don't worry. In this release, we are introducing new data literacy skills for Spotter. Simply ask, "Tell me more about this data set," and Spotter will help explain the entire data model, including contextual suggestions on what to ask. To make more informed decisions, you can now monitor your KPIs with alerts that trigger only for specific attributes and values. For instance, you may want to receive an alert when certain product types increase by 5%. Pretty cool, eh? And for white-labeled and embedded scenarios, you can now fully customize the system text within ThoughtSpot using String IDs. Let's check this out in the developer playground. Now, you can toggle the option to show translation IDs, which allows you to see the ID of every system text within the user interface. In this example, we can replace every occurrence of the words answers and live boards with reports and dashboards by specifying them against their respective string IDs. And voila! For the business person, ThoughtSpot continues to enable you to forge a data-fluent culture. As you ask Spotter data questions and receive answers, you can now hover over search tokens to access the metadata for every metric, attribute, formula, and filter. Unsure about a column name or how to spell a filter value? No problem. With Spotter shortcuts, our data model handles the hard work and provides automatic type-ahead suggestions, making it easier and faster to get your answers. We are excited to bring Spotter to your digital productivity tools, and in this release, we are introducing support for Slack. Simply use Slack commands to call Spotter in your chats, pin the model you want Spotter to focus on, and ask your data questions immediately. No need to switch between tools. For analysts, ThoughtSpot helps you build your career as the analyst of the future. Receive alerts when it matters. Whether you're in New York, Tokyo, or anywhere in between, you can now create monitor alerts that support custom time zones for your KPIs. You asked for it and we've listened. You can now use dynamic parameters in your chart configurations. Let's see this in action. Let's say we have a parameter with a list of 3 different values. We also have a formula that adjusts the metric based on the selected parameter. Now, you can reference this parameter within your charts, allowing them to refresh based on your selections. For the IT ops engineer, ThoughtSpot always focuses on enabling you to balance control with freedom. Introducing ThoughtSpot modeling language support for migrating Spotter Coach feedback. This enhancement to Spotter Coach allows efficient exporting of Spotter training and feedback with TML, enabling you to instantly import them across models and even between organizations within your ThoughtSpot instances. Lastly, we have improved our user access and authorization process by introducing multi-factor authentication. Now you can follow your organization's best practices for security and compliance by enabling MFA through Okta Verify, Google Authenticator, and email authentication. That's the latest from ThoughtSpot, where agentic analytics turns insights into action, powered by agents.